Unraveling, I'm drawing a blank, a guide to understanding and using this English phrase. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language. I'm drawing a blank. This expression might sound a bit mysterious at first, but it's widely used in everyday conversation. Understanding what it means and how to use it can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery together. When someone says, "I'm drawing a blank," they're not talking about art or drawing. Instead, this phrase is a metaphorical way of saying that they cannot remember something or are unable to come up with an answer. Imagine trying to recall a name, a fact, or even what you had for breakfast, and your mind is just empty, like a blank piece of paper. That's exactly the scenario this phrase describes. The expression, drawing a blank, originally comes from the world of lotteries. In the past, lotteries were conducted by drawing tickets from a container. Some tickets had prizes, and others were blank. Drawing a blank meant you didn't win anything. Over time, the phrase evolved to mean coming up empty-handed or not finding what you were looking for, especially in terms of memory or ideas. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. In conversations, when she asked me for the name of the restaurant we went to last month, I was drawing a blank. At work or in meetings, "I'm sorry, I'm drawing a blank on the details of that report right now." In academic settings, during the exam, I looked at the question on historical dates, and I completely drew a blank. These examples show that "I'm drawing a blank" can be used in various situations where you find yourself unable to recall information. There are several other ways to express a similar idea in English. Here are a few alternatives. "My mind went blank." This is another common way to say that you can't remember something at the moment. "I can't recall," a more formal option that means you cannot remember something. "It's on the tip of my tongue." This phrase indicates that you almost remember something but can't quite articulate it. Understanding these alternatives can add variety to your English and help you communicate more precisely. "I'm drawing a blank" is a useful expression for those moments when your memory fails you. Now that you know what it means and how to use it, you can confidently incorporate this phrase into your English conversations. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting expression for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.